Afternoon, YouTube. When I woke up this morning, I looked out the window as I do every morning, out the patio door, and the canal was about to breach the banks. So we must have had an awful lot of rain last night, and one of my friends dropped by, as he does from time to time, and he said there was going to be an awful storm. We must have had it. I didn't hear anything, but if the canal is about to breach the banks, that's a lot of water. But let's see, that was 9:30 this morning. The tide was going out, and now it's 2 o'clock, and the water level has dropped almost a foot. So no flood today. We have had the canal flood before, and it was weird because Alex and I were at the end of our street then, which is a cross street of the street I live on now, and I had him, we were waiting for the school bus along with a bunch of other mothers and children, and we actually watched the water approaching us. Okay, so the water had breached the banks, and there was still more water, and it just kept coming and coming, and it got to us. And by the time it got to us, the bus came, which was good because all the mothers were able to get home before their feet got wet. And Alex told me when he got home in the afternoon that as the bus was driving to school, it has to cross. It's not a bridge, but the street is built over the canal. He said the street was flooded because the canal is like, at that point, maybe 2.5 feet, no, 3 feet above the street. So the street was flooded and the bus had to drive really, really slowly. And he said it was a lot of fun. And the next day it was still flooded. So Alex, now you're not supposed to do this, and we know that. But we put our boots on and we went out walking in the flood. It's the most stupid thing. And I ended up tripping over one of those water sprinklers that had not gone back down into the ground for some reason. Anyway, it was weird. So I guess we're on flood watch, and I live on the second floor, and so I'm not going to get flooded. People's cars, I don't know. I don't think the water will even get up to their bottoms of their doors of their cars. But we shall see what the tide brings in. And if it rains tonight, etc., I'll give a report tomorrow. That's all for now. I'll probably have more later. Ciao. I love you guys.